Hello everyone, myself Milind Nagre, Department of Chemistry, MAG College, Malegaon Camp, Malegaon. I have prepared this video for FI-based student, semester first. Code number is CH103 Practical Chemistry. My topic is safety symbol and labels of pack of chemicals and it is meaning. First point is characteristic properties of the substance or classification and symbol identification of general nature of risks. First point is explosive, next is oxidizing, next is extremely flammable, very toxic, harmful, corrosive, irritant, next is non-flammable compressed gas, next is toxic gas, next is flammable gas, next is flammable liquid, flammable solid, spontaneously combustible substances. Next is substance which in contact with water emits flammable gas. Next is oxidizing substances. Next is organic peroxide. Next is harmful substances. Next is corrosive substances. Next and last one is other dangerous substances. First is explosive. A substance which may explode under the effect of flame or which is more sensitive to shocks to friction than dinitrobenzene, the symbol of explosive material. A substance which gives rise to highly exothermic reaction when in contact with other substances, particularly flammable substances. These are called as oxidizing. Third is a liquid having flash point greater than 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point is greater than 35 degrees Celsius is called as extremely flammable substances. Next is a substance which if it is inhaled, ingested or penetrate the skin may involve extremely serious acute or chronic health risks and even death. These are very toxic substances. Next is a substance which if it is inhaled and ingested or penetrate the skin may involve limited health risks. These are harmful substances. Next is a substance which may on contact with living tissue destroy them. And these are called as corrosive material or substances. Next is a non-corrosive substances which through immediate, prolonged or repeated contact with skin or mucous membrane can caused by inflammation. These are called as irritant. Next is a substance which first is has a critical temperature greater than 50 degrees Celsius or which at 50 degrees Celsius has a vapor pressure of more than 3 bar absolute and B is conveyed by road at a pressure of more than 500 millibars above atmospheric pressure or in liquefied from other than toxic gas or a flammable gas. These are called as non-flammable compressed gas. Next, a substance which has a critical temperature greater than 50 degrees Celsius or which at 50 degrees Celsius has a vapor pressure of more than 3 bar absolute and which is toxic. These are called a toxic gas. Next, a substance which has a critical temperature greater than 50 degrees Celsius or which at 50 degrees Celsius has a vapor pressure of more than 3 bar absolute and flammable. These are called as flammable gaseous substances. Next is flammable liquid, a liquid with flash point greater than 55 degrees Celsius. Expect a liquid which has a flash point less than 21 degrees Celsius and greater than 55 degrees Celsius, and when tested at 55 degrees Celsius in manner described in scheduled second to the highly flammable liquid and liquefied petroleum gases. Next is a solid which is a readily combustible and under condition encounter in conveyance by road or which may cause contribute to fire through friction. These are called as flammable solid. Next is a substances which is liable to spontaneous heating under condition encounter in conveyance by road heating contact with air being then liable to catch fire. These are called as spontaneously combustible substances. Next is a substance which contact with water liable to become spontaneously combustible or to give to off flammable gas. These are substance which is contact with water emits flammable gas. Next is a substance other than organic peroxide which is a although the not itself necessarily combustible may by it oxygen or by similar process cause or contribute to the combustion of the other material. These are called as oxidizing substances. Next is a substance which is a first organic peroxide and unstable substances which may undergo exothermic self-accelerating decomposition, and these are called as organic peroxide. Example is hydrogen peroxide, benzene peroxide, like this. Next is harmful substances. A substance known to toxic to man or in the absence acute data on human toxicity is assumed to be toxic to man but which is unlikely to afford to serious acute hazardous to health during conveyance. Next is a substance which by chemical action will first is cause severe damage when contact with living tissue. Second is material damage other fight or equipment if leakage occurs. These are called as corrosive substances. Last one is a substance which is listed in part first A and the approved list and which may create a risk to the health or safety of person in the condition encounter in conveyance by road, whether or not it is has any the characteristic properties set out above, and these are belong to other dangerous substances. Okay, thank you all of you.